From this class, we will do previous year's questions from 2000 to till date. Before that, let us refresh the formulas that we have discussed in the previous class. Cylinder, lateral surface area or curved surface area equal to 2 pi RH. Total surface area equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Volume equal to pi R square H. Cone, lateral surface area is pi RL. Total surface area equal to pi RL plus pi R square. Volume equal to 1 by 3 pi R square H. Sphere, surface area equal to 4 pi R square. Volume equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Hemisphere, lateral surface area equal to 2 pi R square. Total surface area equal to 3 pi R square and volume equal to 2 by 3 pi R cube. The first question. Volume of a cylinder of height 3 cm is 48 pi. Radius of the cylinder is 48 cm, 16 cm, 4 cm or 24 cm. The height of the cylinder. We denote it by the letter H. It is given as 3 cm. Radius is not given. R, we need to find it out. But volume is given. Volume, we know the formula is pi R square H and it is given as 48 pi centimeter. Given. This is equation number 1. Now, substitute the value of H in 1. We will substitute 3 instead of H. That is pi R square into 3 equal to 48 pi. From this, R square will be equal to 48 pi is in the right hand side. Bring pi and 3 again to the right hand side. So it is pi and 3. On dividing, we will get 16. Therefore, R square equal to square root of 16. Actually, it is plus or minus root of 16. But we will take the positive value since the R is a length. Length cannot be negative. We don't mention length as a negative quantity. So it is 4 centimeters. So volume was given, H was also given. So using the formula pi R square H, using the formula of volume, we found out the value of the radius, base radius. The second question. Here again the volume is given. The volume of a conical tent is 462 meter cube. And the area of the base is 154 meter square. We need to find out the height of the cone. The options given are 15 meter, 12 meter, 9 meter and 24 meter. Let R and H be the radius and height of the cone. Therefore, volume, which is, since it is a cone, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and it is given as 462 meter cube, since it is volume. This is equation number 1. And we are given the base area. Base area is pi r square. Base is a circle. It is given as 154 meter square, since it is area. Now substitute the value of pi r square in 1. See, the volume contains a term pi r square. So instead of pi r square, we will substitute to 154. That is 1 by 3. Instead of pi r square, I am going to substitute 154. 154 into h equal to 462. So there is only one unknown here, that is the h. Therefore, h is equal to 462 divided by 154 into 3. Simplification of this will give you 9 meter. The third question. The volume of a right circular cone with the same base radius and height as that of a right circular cylinder. That means the base radius and height of the cone is the same as the base radius and height of a cylinder, which is given as 120 centimeter cube. 120 centimeter cube is the volume of the cone. Now we need to find out the volume of the cylinder. Options given are 240 centimeter cube, 60 centimeter cube, 360 centimeter cube, and 480 centimeter cube. Let R and H be the radius and height of the cone as well as the cylinder. Volume of cone, we know it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This has been given in the question. It is 120 centimeter cube. Therefore, pi r square h, bring this 3 to the right side. So 120 into 3 equal to 360 centimeter cube. Now, volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h already we have found out. It is 360 centimeter cube. we substitute 360 instead of pi r square h, and pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. The fourth question is also a similar question. The question is, volume of a cylinder is 330 centimeter cube. The volume of the cone having same radius and height as that of the cylinder, that of the given cylinder is, options are 330 centimeter cube, 165 centimeter cube, 220 centimeter cube. Let us assume, as in the previous case, the radius and height as r and h. Let r be the radius and h be the height of the cone and cylinder. Here volume of cylinder is given. In the previous example, volume of the cone was given. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h given as 330 centimeter. It should be cube since it is a volume. Now we need to find out the volume of the cone. Therefore, volume of the cone equal to cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. We can make a substitution of this pi r square h from this equation number 1. That is 1 by 3 into, instead of pi r square h, we can write 330. This is equal to 110 centimeter cube. So here the volume of cylinder was given and the volume of the cone will be 1 by 3rd of the volume of the cylinder. Since it is 330, volume of the cone will be 1 by 3rd of that will be 110 centimeter cube. The fifth question. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel, that means 2 pi r, is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. So 2 pi r is given, h is also given. We need to find the radius of the cylinder. From 2 pi r we can find out the radius. Again we need to find out the volume of the cylinder. So r we already found out from 2 pi r and h is given. So volume can be found out using the formula pi r square h, since it is being a cylinder. Let r and h be the radius and height of the cylinder. Therefore, circumference of the base equal to 2 pi r. It has been given as 132 centimeter. Therefore, r is equal to 132 divided by 2 pi, and 132 divided by 2 into pi is 22 by 7. 22, the 7 will go to the numerator. 22 by 7. On simplification, this will give 132 and 22 can be divided. I think it is 6. This is 120. Yes, we will get 6 here. This is 2 and 6 can again be divided 3. So r we will get as 21 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is given. Height of the cylinder. H is given as 25 centimeter. Now we need to find out the volume. Therefore, volume equal to volume pi r square h equal to pi is 22 by 7, r is 21, r square is 21 into 21, h is 25. So 7 and 21 will go, you will get 3. So 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. This will be equal to 34650. 34650 centimeter cube. So here the base perimeter has been given. From that we found out the radius. H has been given directly. So volume we found out using the formula pi r square h. The sixth question. The radius of roller 100 centimeter long is 14 centimeter. The curved surface area of the roller is, this is again a multiple choice question. Pi need to be taken as 22 by 7. The options are given, A, B, C and D. So let us find out. A roller is always placed horizontally. Usually the roller is actually a cylinder. Cylinder we always draw in a vertical position. This is the height of the cylinder and this is the base radius. But as far as a roller is concerned, we need to level a surface. We use the roller. So roller is placed like this. The height means the length here. So we need to take h like this, and this is the radius. H is given as how much? Or length is given 100 centimeter, and radius is also given. It is given as 14 centimeter. So r and h is given, is available. So we can find out the curved surface area. Length of the roller. H equal to 100 centimeter. Radius of the roller. R equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area of the roller. curved surface area is calculated as base perimeter into height. That is, base perimeter is 2 pi r and height is h. So 2 pi r h equal to 2 into 5 is 22 by 7, r is 14, h is 100. 7 and 14 we will give 2. So 2 into 22 into, here again add 2 into 100. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 22 is 88 and 00. Centimeter square, since it is an area. It has been given. The option D is the correct answer. The seventh question. If a rectangular sheet having dimensions 22 centimeter by 11 centimeter is rolled along its shorter side to form a cylinder, then the curved surface area of the cylinder so formed is 968 centimeter square, 424 centimeter square, 121 centimeter square, 242 centimeter square. A rectangular sheet having dimension 22 centimeter and 11 centimeter is rolled along its shorter side to form a cylinder. So a rectangular sheet is there. It is rolled. This is 11 centimeter. And this is 22 centimeter. This is rolled to form a cylinder. So the cylinder will come like this. And the height of the cylinder will be 22 centimeter. H. The base perimeter, that will be equal to 11 centimeter when it is rolled. So whole this length will be equal to 2 pi r will be equal to 11 centimeter. We need to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area which is equal to 2 pi r into h equal to 2 pi r we know, that is 11, h is 22. So this will become 11 into 22 means how much? 22 and 22, that is 242 centimeter square. Option D is the correct answer. The eighth question. A conical tent is to accommodate 77 persons. Each person must have 16 meter cube of air to breathe. So there are 77 persons. Each person should have 16 meter cube of space as air. So what will be the total volume? 77 into 16. That should, at least the conical tent should have that much volume to accommodate 77 persons. In this, they have given the radius of the tent. Volume is known, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h is known. In that equation, they have given the radius. So we can find out the height h. The question is also asking find the height of the tent and its curved surface area. Curved surface area is pi r l. So using r and h we need to find out l. using the equation r square plus h square is equal to L square. After that, we need to find out the curved surface area. Let R, H and L be the radius, height and slant height of the tent. So we have a tent. It is in the form of a cone. The radius of the tent is given. R is given as 7 meter. The height is not known. L is also not known. Slant height is this, and this is H, and this is R, that is 7 meter. H and L we need to find it out. Radius R equal to 7 meter. Volume of air required per person. Per person equal to 16 meter cube. Number of persons equal to 77. Therefore, the minimum volume of the tent that is required to accommodate 77 persons, volume of tent. This is the minimum volume. Volume have a formula 1/3 pi r square h. Equal to volume required per person into number of persons, that is 16 into 77. In this equation, we will substitute for R as 7 meter, that is 1/3 into pi into 7 square instead of R square into H equal to 16 into 77. On simplification of this will give H is equal to 24 meter. So now we know R and H. H we obtained as 24 meter. That is the height of the tent. Height of the tent equal to 24 meter. This is one answer. Now we need to find out L for finding the curved surface area. L is equal to, or L square is R square plus H square, or L is equal to square root of R square plus H square, equal to square root of R square is 7 square plus H square is 24 square. This will give you 25 meter. Therefore, curved surface area equal to pi into r into L equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into L, that is 25. So this will give 7 will go 22 into 25. This will give 550 meter square, since it is an area. In the next class, we will continue the problems. That is previous year's problems. Thank you.